Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Catherine GC Mabahin B in 1B or Bachelor of Elementary Education. I'm here to discuss the life of Plato, his contribution to philosophy, and his concept of man. Welcome to Plato's life and concept of man. Who is Plato? The Athenian philosopher Plato, 428 to 347 before Christ, is one of the most important figures of the ancient Greek world in the entire history of Western thought. In his written dialogues, he conveyed and expanded on the ideas and techniques of his teacher Socrates. He was of noble Athenian lineage in both sides. His father Ariston died when he was a child. His mother Perictian remarried the politician Pyrrhus. Definition of man according to Plato defined man is a soul using the body, because the nature of man is seen in the metaphysical dichotomy between body and soul. For Plato, the body is material. It cannot live and move apart from the soul. It is immaterial. It can exist apart from the body. Whose view of man? Plato considers that the well-being of man depends upon harmonious interactions of three aspects of the soul. Plato thinks that such harmonious interactions would only be possible when reason controls both spirit and appetite. Beliefs of Plato. In metaphysics, Plato envisioned a systematic rational treatment of the forms under interrelation, starting with the most fundamental among them, the good or the one. In ethics and moral psychology, he developed the view that the good life requires not just a certain kind of knowledge, as Socrates had suggested. Thus believe about the soul. Plato believed the soul was eternal. It exists prior to the body. He asserted that upon physical death of the body, the soul moves unto another body. Building on this belief, he called the body the prison of the soul. Main philosophy of Plato. Plato is also considered the founder of Western political philosophy. His most famous contribution in the theory of forms known by pure reason, in which Plato presents a solution to the problem of universals known as Platonism, also ambiguously called either Platonic realism or Platonic idealism. That would be all. Thank you for watching and listening.